Hey guys, today we'll talk about euro versus the US dollar. As you already know from my analysis, from my webinars, euro USD continues to move sideways, is trapped within a strong range, within an extended range, within an extended sideways movement. So yeah, euro USD could bring us great opportunities after escaping from this pattern, and I will talk about these scenarios here in this daily video analysis. So here is a risk disclaimer. It's important to understand the risks, and also past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. Learn to trade, guys. Please follow us on Instagram. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can like our videos, you can share them, you can comment, and if you want to join us, if you are not a VIP member, you can access the link posted right below this video. You can use this link. If you have questions, you can send an email to support. Okay, and don't forget that the only way to communicate with Learn to Trade is after sending an email to support. Okay, this is the only way. And if you're not a VIP member, if you want to join the VIP groups, you'll have to you can join the VIP groups only after purchasing a subscription. So sideways movement, okay, 1.0662, 1.0582, false breakdown, boom, okay, towards the resistance. The range is resistance. False breakouts, new sell-off. Okay, so right now, as long as it stays below 1.0630, and if the dollar index, because I've talked about the dollar index earlier in my market breakdown video, so if the dollar index will jump higher, then euro USD should approach and reach 1.0582 again, because we have a strong negative correlation between the dollar index and the euro USD. So right now, 1, 2, 3 here, descending pitchfork sell-off towards the medium line. It has retested the medium line, rebound, but in my opinion, and as I've said, 1.0630 represented a support here. Right now the support turned into resistance, and as long as it stays below it and below the upper medium line of the descending pitchfork, despite temporary rebounds, despite a sideways movement, it could still resume its sell-off. Okay, so in the short term, and I've talked about the dollar index, I've talked about the potential further growth. The euro USD could still drop despite the temporary rebounds. And if we'll take a look here on lower time frames, yeah, right now it has found support. We have a demand zone, but also we have immediate supply zones here. We have this zone, immediate resistance levels, and also this dynamic resistance. So taking out this demand zone here and making a new lower low could signal potential deeper drop in the short term. And in my opinion, only staying here above let's use this low, 1.0606. If it stays above this low only to retest here, then it could still try to come back higher, and maybe we'll have a range pattern in the short term here. Okay, a potential range pattern, and only a new higher high and escaping from the descending pitchfork's body could signal potential further growth. But, and I will select another color, yeah, maybe something like this. Okay, but as I've said, only escaping from this major range could bring us really good opportunities and really good setups. Okay, because yeah, it's really hard to catch a really good trade inside of this range. Okay, so that's why yeah, maybe yeah, personally I will look also for trades inside of this range, because yeah, if it reaches this major support and test retest false breakdowns, it could signal potential new leg higher, or reaching again the resistance and the false breakouts could signal potential new sell-off. Okay, but escaping maybe from this minor range here, 1.0635, 1.0611 could bring us and will bring me a potential opportunity, a clear direction in the short term. And yeah, I will keep an eye on this minor range here, because this could bring me potential short here. Okay, or if it continues to move sideways, false breakdowns, valid breakout here, something like this could signal an upside continuation. Okay, so I'll keep an eye only on this minor range in the short term, on lower time frames, and I will try to identify a potential long or a potential short. Okay, also testing, retesting here, only false breakouts could signal a potential downside movement. Okay, so that's why it's really important to understand how to trade inside of a range, or to trade false breakouts from a potential range, valid breakouts. Okay, so this is my opinion here about Euro USD in the short term. This range could bring me a new trading opportunity and a clear direction in the short term. Okay, and later today we'll have unemployment claims. This could bring some action and strong action and high volatility on Euro USD. Tomorrow, Chicago PMI. Thank you guys. Please read the disclaimer, and thank you guys. Bye bye.